Tom and Yoshiko Hackett loved Elizabeth and never forgot the city which they lived, worked, and raised their family. They passed along that abiding love and regard for their hometown to their children, who, like their parents, are committed to supporting programs and initiatives that help Trinitas meet the healthcare demands of the communities it serves.
Thank you so much for having us, and it's an honor. It's interesting because when Eileen first told me that the Hackett family was being honored, I thought, oh my goodness, if it was my parents and they were alive, they would actually be a little bit shy about it, right? My father, my mother, my dad was born in Elizabeth, I was born in Elizabeth, my 7 siblings and I were born in this hospital. And it's a great opportunity to say, thank you, Trinitas. You've done remarkable things for my family. Well, I was the one that slid into cabinets and doors and had lots of stitches. So I did my share of visiting the emergency room at.
I think I was with Mom like every other week with one of my brothers because they would fall and they would get a cut across their head, and my dad would be sitting at the kitchen table because he couldn't go, and we'd be running to St. Elizabeth's, and it was pretty busy. We were pretty busy with this hospital, so we've been here for a long time.
When he was diagnosed with cancer, my father said, I'm going to Trinitas, and there was no hurry with Dr. McHugh. He spent hours discussing with my father all of the possible outcomes and things he can do and what the hospital was going to do. And when I left, I was not only impressed, I thought, Dad's going to be with us much longer. And he was. It wasn't just family, it was Trinitas that helped them through it, helped us through it, right? It's a family.
Congratulations to the Hackett family for this very well-deserved honor.
Thank you to the Hackett family for so graciously accepting the Celebrating Philanthropy Award. The impact of your support is seen throughout our hospital, and you continue to give in so many ways, both big and small, helping with the hospital expansions and helping make the holidays a little brighter for our most vulnerable patients.
I believe that giving is just something that we have inherently learned. It's just part of our genetics.
Watching my dad go and help the neighbors, my mother always helped people. You'll never ever hear them when I was alive, ever bragging about it, but we saw them. It wasn't them talking about it, it was them living their life of giving. So it would be very shameful for us not to do the same and give back. I also think it's very selfish. It makes me feel good to see the faces of people that benefit. You know they're going to grow up and at least come around the corner with better than a Band-Aid. So it is selfish to give, but I'll be very selfish about it, and I'm happy to be that way.
I never looked at it that way. I think that's very interesting.
It feels good to make other people feel better.
I agree.
All of us at Trinitas are truly grateful to all of the Hacketts and all of their involvement, which extends from Eileen to her 7 other brothers and sisters, including Patrick, a former Board of Trustee, who are all generous supporters of the foundation. All of us to say to Eileen on a regular basis, without the Hackett family, we truly could not support our patients' needs without you.
I've been a part of the Trinitas Foundation for years as a longtime supporter, member, and chairman of the Foundation Board of Trustees. Eileen Hackett epitomizes the best of the foundation. Eileen, like the rest of her family, is a true force when it comes to fundraising and dedication to helping others. She has a unique way of inspiring you to give to the foundation by supporting an event, sending in gift cards, or participating in some other way. Through her hard work, the foundation is able to provide the most modern equipment to the hospital or reach down to the bare necessities, such as providing meals to our employees in need. Eileen, I will miss you, and I know that the entire board will miss you. Thank you, Eileen and the Hackett family, for your support to Trinitas over the years. Congratulations again on receiving the Celebrating Philanthropy Award.
Thank you all. I applaud you today and for all the years that you've helped, and I look forward to many more years hearing about all the wonderful things you've done at Trinitas.
And I am very grateful. I've worked at Trinitas since 1998. This is my 25th year. I have worked in several different departments, but this has been the most rewarding. Being part of the foundation, I get to see what it is that we have done to help the community. I am always grateful to see how much good we do and we will continue to do.
On behalf of all of us in the Ritual Family Foundation, I'd like to congratulate Eileen and Allie Hackett, Pat Hackett, who was served on the board of Trinitas for a number of years, and the entire Hackett family. They are a wonderful, giving family who've made a tremendous commitment to Trinitas and all that it does.
And to you, Eileen, I hope this is the retirement party you dreamed of, honoring your parents and your family.